Some.
That whole bag?
Yeah. Extreme, right? And by the way, he won the Thumb Wrestling Federation Championship twice. What a guy. I bet I can become a wrestler and a champion as well. Up next, Fly Guy. Half man, half insect, and half fly. His power is to annoy his enemy into submission. Not only that, but he possesses the ability to fly, if that's even possible. Let's see. There we go. Next up, Pierre Poplemus. This guy is a master chef and a martial artist when it comes to the Thumb Wrestling Federation mixing bowl. He also wears a French chef's hat and always wears it into battle. He always carries the best of the best weapons. A spatula, a stove, sporks, even his own soup ladle. Nothing beats a soup ladle. Next up will be Cleet Cunningham. A TWF champion. Yes, another one. And, well, a master when it comes to soccer. Or in French terms, or should I say British terms, football. And I'm not talking about the one that we often see at Super Bowls. Cleet Cunningham is basically one of the new contenders from Season 5. And yes, he stood up against 3 of the strongest fighters. Like Itsy Bitsy, the Big Time, Senator Skull, and I guess Big Bad Billy Goat Tetsky. I don't know why he came up against that. I guess the creators of Thumb Wrestling Federation thought it would be a good idea to take it small and slow. That was a good thing, right? Next up, the Master Blaster himself, Danny Kaboom. Kapow! When this guy enters the ring, you better watch out. He'll make the whole planet, he'll make the whole stadium explode. He was taught how to use explosives carefully at the Thumb Wrestling Federation, where he met Vinny and his crew. He went up against a few wrestlers and won, starting with Muggsy Thumbscrew and then the Black Knight. Bam! That's awesome. Anyways, we still got a few more of these wrestlers to draw up, but I'm just gonna do one more before we head back. I promise. This last one before we head out is named Grayson Glitz, created by Trevor Licky from the Licky Library. A superstar who found out that his spotlight was fading away, so his goal was to reclaim his fame and power back by going to the Thumb Wrestling Federation and scoring this win. I'm glad I decided to draw this guy. I've been trying to get in touch with Trevor Licky for like quite a while. I even have a few character ideas for him. If that's alright. I want his series to keep going. I'm a big fan. I love it. Anyways, those are all the Thumb Wrestlers I have for today. Don't worry, folks. I promise I'll come back with more Thumb Wrestlers real soon. I'll finish this up, and then I'll do the Sinistras. Anyways, that's all the time for now. Please like, rock, and subscribe to my channel, and let me know which Thumb Wrestler you want me to draw next. Stegosaurus, see you later, and good luck.